Welcome to Veerapaneni Infra Projects, your go-to source for the latest updates on our exciting construction journey. This month, we've made huge progress, and we can't wait to show you what our hardworking team has accomplished in just 30 days. Here's a quick breakdown of April's milestones. April 1st to 6th, centering work for the 6th slab kicked off and was completed in just 6 days. Talk about efficiency. April 7th to 12th, steel materials arrived, and our team got straight to work on rod bending, completed right on schedule. April 12th to 13th, electrical and plumbing materials for the 6th slab arrived, and our crew wrapped up installation and inspection in just 2 days. Now that's speed. April 13th, late night to 14th, early morning, the concrete pour happened overnight. Our team worked tirelessly to get it done. More progress highlights. March 13th, bonus update, survey team marked columns for the lift headroom and overhead tank, laying the groundwork for future stages. Curing in progress. After concrete work, the curing process began to ensure strength and durability. April 18th, centering and concrete work for columns started and finished on the same day. April 19th, column boxes removed, and the ground team prepped for more curing. April 20th to 30th, dedicated curing to ensure everything sets perfectly for the next phase. Behind the scenes. A massive shout out to our incredible team for their relentless hard work, precision, and dedication. Every step brings us closer to turning this vision into reality. Stay tuned for more updates. Next month is going to be even bigger. Like, share and follow to keep up with our progress. #construction update, #Veerapaneni Infra, #building the future. On the auspicious day of Akshaya Tritiya, April 30th, 2025, we commenced the brickwork for the staircase walls and the stilt floor. Stay tuned for more progress updates from Veerapaneni Infra Projects. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest developments.